Carroll Shelby International subsidiary, Shelby American, is revving up its legacy with the introduction of the 2024 Ford Shelby F-150. This ultra-high-performance truck is a limited edition monster, boasting power, luxury, and off-road prowess in equal measure. But act fast, only 800 units will be available for the 2024 model year. The 2024 Shelby F-150 builds on its 2023 predecessor, offering a transformed driving experience. Based on the Ford Lariat 4x4 Super Crew platform with a standard 5.0L V8 engine churning out 400 horsepower, Shelby American's magic takes things to a new level. The optional supercharger upgrade is the real showstopper, nearly doubling the engine's output to a staggering 785 horsepower. The 2024 Shelby F-150 isn't just about brute force. Shelby American has meticulously engineered the truck to handle its immense power. The Fox 2.5 Factory Race Series shock system with internal bypass technology ensures a smooth ride, even on rough terrain. Adjustable dual-speed controls and performance rear traction bars further enhance control, while the Shelby by BDS 3-inch lift system provides additional ground clearance for off-road adventures. The truck sits on imposing 22-inch Shelby alloy wheels wrapped in 35-inch premium all-terrain tires, a combination that exudes both power and capability. The throaty exhaust note comes courtesy of a Shelby by Borla catback exhaust system, adding a touch of auditory excitement to the driving experience. The Shelby treatment extends beyond the engine compartment. The interior features a premium feel with a carbon fiber aesthetic trim kit. Billet racing pedals add a touch of sportiness, while embroidered floor mats and a serialized console plaque personalize the driving experience. The 2024 Shelby F-150 isn't shy about making a statement. The exterior boasts a Shelby dual intake hood for enhanced engine cooling, along with body-colored fender flares that accentuate the truck's muscular stance. Power running boards with rock guard trim and entry lights add practicality, while Shelby striping and badges leave no doubt about the truck's pedigree. The 2024 Shelby F-150 is a true collector's item. With a production run limited to 800 units for the US market, owning one guarantees exclusivity. For those outside the US, Shelby authorized distributors will offer the truck internationally. The starting MSRP for the 2024 Shelby F-150 reflects its high-performance nature. The naturally aspirated version starts at $130,000, while the supercharged option bumps the price tag to $139,995. However, for those seeking the ultimate blend of power, luxury, and off-road capability, the price may be a worthy investment. Every 2024 Shelby F-150 comes with a 3-year per 36,000-mile warranty, including the powertrain. This provides peace of mind for owners who plan on pushing their trucks to the limit. The purchase of a 2024 Shelby F-150 goes beyond simply acquiring a truck. It grants membership to Team Shelby, the worldwide club established in 2008, and eligibility for documentation in the official Shelby registry.